Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question: square root of x square minus 3x plus 21 minus square root of x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 2, and we have to solve this equation for the value of x. So let's start the solution of this question. So if you look over here, this is x square minus 3x here and x square minus 3x here, which are common. So we will put y equal to x square minus 3x. So let's put it. So after putting y equal to x square minus 3x, this equation will become y plus 21, and this will become y plus 5, like this, which is equal to 2. And now we will send this minus square root of y plus 5 on other side of the equation. So this will become 2 plus square root of y plus 5. And now we will take square on both sides of this equation. So let's take square on both sides of the equation. So after taking square on both sides of the equation, this square will cancel this square root. So this will become y plus 21. And here this is basically a plus b in the form of a plus b whole squared. So a plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So we will expand this according to this formula. So overall the equation will become y plus 21 equal to a squared, that is 2 squared plus 2ab. So a is 2 and we have b as the square root of y plus 5. So 2ab plus b squared. So now this equation will become y plus 21, and this 2 square equal to 4, and 2 times 2 equal to 4. Square root of 4 times square root of y plus 5 plus this square will cancel this square root. So this will become y plus 5. And now the equation is y plus 21 equal to 4 plus 4 times square root of y plus 5 plus y plus 5. Now we will send this y plus 5 and this 4 on this side of the equation. So overall the equation will become y plus 21 minus y minus 4 minus 5. So we have sent this y plus 5 and this 4 on this side of the equation. And here 4 times square root of y plus 5. So now we will rearrange this equation. So it will become y minus y and 21 minus 9. This minus 4 minus 5 equal to minus 9, which is equal to 4 times square root of y plus 5. Now this y will cancel this y. So 21 minus 9 equal to 12. Overall this equation equal to 12 equal to 4 times square root of y plus 5, and we can rearrange like this. 4 times square root of y plus 5 equal to 12. And now again we will take square on both sides of this equation to eliminate the square root. So let's take square on both sides. So after taking squares on both sides, this 4 will become 16, because 4 times 4 equal to 16. That is square of 4 equal to 16, and this square will cancel this square root. So overall this equation will become 4 into y plus 5 and 12 into 12 equal to 144. So the equation will become 16 into y plus 5 equal to 144. And now we have to eliminate this 16. So we will divide both sides by 16. So this 16 divided by 16 will equals 1, and here 144 divided by 16. So 16 times 9 equal to 144. So overall this equation will become y plus 5 equal to 9, because this 16 will cancel each other, and the remaining term will be y plus 5, and here the remaining term is 9. So overall this equation is y plus 5 equal to 9, and now we will send 5 on other side of the equation. So this y equal to 4. Now we will come back to our supposition, and this was our supposition: x square minus 3x equal to y, and now we have the value of y, which is equal to 4. So we will put y equal to 4 over here. And now we will send this 4 on other side of the equation, so it will become x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. And now this is a quadratic equation, but we will try to factorize this minus 3x into two factors, that is plus x and minus 4x, because plus x minus 4x again equal to minus 3x. And if we multiply this x into minus 4x, so it will become minus 4x square. So both the conditions are satisfied, so we can factorize this as like this. And now in these two terms we can take x is common, and in these two terms we can take 4 is common. So let's take the common factors. So x is common, and after taking x is common from here, the remaining term will be x over here, and after taking x common from here, the remaining term will be plus 1 over here. And minus, when we take 4 common, so the remaining term will be x, and this minus and minus, we will write plus over here, because when minus multiply with this plus, so again will become minus 4. So therefore here we will write plus 1, which is equal to 0. Now in these two terms, one term is this and second is this, we have x plus 5, x plus 1 equal to common factor. So we will take x plus 1 common from here. So after taking x plus 1 common from here, the remaining term will be x over here and minus 4 over here, which is equal to 0. And now we will compare these two terms with 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 4 equal to 0, like this. And now we will send this plus 1 on other side of the equation. So it will become x equal to minus 1, and x equal to this minus 4 will become 4. So we have these solution x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 4. But after deciding this real solution of the equation, we will verify. So let's verify the equation for x equal to minus 1. So now we will put this x equal to minus 1 in our original equation. This was our given equation. Now we will put x equal to minus 1 in this equation. So let's put this minus 1. So it will become minus 1 squared and minus 3 into minus 1 plus 21. And this equation will become minus 1 squared minus 3 into minus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 2. This minus 1 square equal to 1, and minus when multiply with minus, so will become plus. So overall this will become plus 3 and plus 21. So overall this will become 1 plus 3 plus 21, and here this will become 1 and this will become plus 3 and plus 5. So 1 plus 3 plus 21, which is equal to 25, and 1 plus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 9. So overall our equation will become square root of 25 minus square root of 9, which is equal to 2. And as we know, square root of 25 equal to 5 minus square root of 9 equal to 3, which is equal to 2. 5 minus 3 equal to 2, and 2 equal to 2. So it means that x is equal to minus 1 satisfies this equation. So it means that x is equal to minus 1 is the real solution of the equation. And now we will check this for x equal to 4. So when x is equal to 4, we will put 4 in this equation. So let's put it. So after putting x equal to 4 in the equation, this will become 4 square minus 3 into 4 plus 21, and here 4 square minus 3 into 4 plus 25 equal to 2. So this will become 16, this will become minus 12 and plus 21, and this will become 16 minus 12 plus 5. So 16 minus 12 plus 21, 16 minus 12 equal to 4, and 4 plus 21 equal to 25. So again this will become 25, and 16 minus 12 equal to 4, and 4 plus 5 equal to 2. So overall this will become 9. So again this will become square root of 25 minus square root of 9, which is equal to 2. And as we know, this square root of 25 equal to 5, and this equal to minus 3, which is equal to 2. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So 2 equal to 2. So it means that this value which is equal to 4 for x, also satisfies this equation. So it means it's also the real root of this equation. So overall, we had this question, and now we have find out these two solutions, which is equal to -1 and 4, which are real solution of this equation. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Anyway, if you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching, and I will request all of you, please subscribe my channel for videos like this. Take care, tata, goodbye.